everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to easily count number of cells contain certain text with Kutools for Excel. With the select the specific cells utility of Kutools for Excel, you can easily count number of cells contain certain text in a range. Please do as follows. Select the range you will count cells contain certain text. Then click the Kutools tab. In the editing group, click the select drop down list and click on the select the specific cells. In the select the specific cells dialog box, select the cell option in the selection type, and next select contains or equal from the specific type drop down list and enter the certain text you will count cells based on into the text box, and at last click the OK button. Then a dialog pops out to tell you the total number of cells contain the certain text, and those cells are selected at the same time. Click the OK button. As you can see, all the cells are selected. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more videos.